Everybody, AJ here, going to test fire the DRV. We were just discussing it. It's gonna be kick-ass. Basically, really, you just start off by pulling the hammer back. You really have to pull down on the trigger. It's actually quite crazy. But you see it has a bit of a kick to it. I don't know, it feels awesome in your hand really when you but of course every time you have to pull the hammer back.
Just like a pump.
Yeah. Awesome sound, and again you hear the tube. But yeah, that's the DRV right there. Alright, well that's the DRV. Thanks a lot guys for watching.